were giving a very good talk after me on the product, because Cindy here, he is the best candidate to talk their company product first hand. Then I have a second special honorable guest here is from Ife, Lim. He also worked for Parasoft SE Asia, working as a regional technical consultant. High-low what those things. Developer, they talk about code. So how can we talk with each other? So we need to normalizing the report, both of them, into one single platform. Then we continue to talk the secular language, but during this platform, they were understood in their own languages. That has become something easier for communicate, right? So we continue. So in this platform here, you can notice that we will be a manual code review where today our system is no more just purely used for manual. Actually, their tool can do automate. The value is on automate portion. You just imagine have a few million line of source code. How to be done by human eye? It's crazy, right? It's machine that doing naming out some area for you. You exercise your experience where the effect later on will be explained in more detail.
Security or quality, because it's all about testing and development. Okay, so this is the 4 pillars of our solutions. Today we'll talk about more around the development testing. Right. So we are actually combining development testing and embedded development together to form IoT testing and IoT security. So we talk about that if we have time. Right. The other place will be like what Vincent said about SOA test and API. Everything that in our world actually depends on APIs. For example, like your Twitter and Facebook. Right. So you never update your Facebook, right? You find that suddenly it doesn't work. Then you say please update in the App Store because the API has changed. Right. So API integrity is something that we are actually helping a lot of customers. Right. So the fourth will be service virtualization. So this is to help things that you don't have, but you want to bring back to the test lab. Okay. You can never have the World Wide Web in your lab. Right. So you don't have the government database in your lab, but you can actually use service virtualization to create Okay, so it's a very clear picture that we're actually sampling, right? It is based to help customers with compliance, right? Based on the industry standards that you are in. And also it is actually to help you find security problems, which is based on this technology. Okay, right. So before I go to flow, there's actually in the middle the matrix analysis. So matrix is to find complex code that's prone to error. Okay, when you say that, give you an example. It's very normal that developers write codes without thinking. If else, switch case while loop. Okay, the next use service virtualization. Okay, or some of people will choose the mocks as well to create virtual assets, right? So that the test can go through. Okay. So this is very important for both security and both quality. Why? Because in a complex system, API economy is so difficult to test. If you wait until you are having the system up, platform ready, but you lose time. And again, we are talking about, rather than passing the test, but making an excuse to pass the test. Right? So you craft the test to pass, then that's dangerous. Right? So we can actually isolate the messaging, okay? So we can allow you to simulate more kind of scenarios and conditions for running it. So to the back end, to the cloud, it could be like, for example, using web services. So we can actually tap on your whistle file. Right? It can be on SOAP. You know, all these things can be done by our tools to help you to create test cases.
On the lower left corner, then you can swap with a SOA test, because it's not able to not only able to simulate the API call, but also able to perform kind of browser-based testing. It's like Selenium. And then of course for the dependent CRM and also the business partner, you can virtualize them. Virtualize them as in you can kind of simulate their behavior, or you can crop out the condition. Because like, let's say if you were to perform some testing, but since the system may reside on the same facility that your target is, you may not able to simulate, let's say, the network jitterings and so on. So with virtualize, you are able to simulate, say, what happens if the connection between these two dependent systems are not stable. If they are packet being dropped or they are certainly high latency, you are able to simulate that. And also, of course, they are also depend on what type of scenario. Sometimes, let's say, if your services involve firing up SMS, let's say for two-factor authentication, and then you want to perform load testing, you won't be spending a lot of money to fire real SMS anyway.
So yes, we virtualize.
Yes, the virtualized SMS gateway log and a floating. So machine log is tied to a specific hardware, where floating is like you have a license server, and then at any point of time, depending on how many licenses do you have.
Okay.
So later, can you
If it's a machine license means hardware license means I can load as much of software review I can do code review.
Yeah.
Okay, the floating one, for each review there will be.
We count it so by nodes. So you can let's say you have a lab, you have how your whole team you have 10 notebook, but if you only buy one floating license, at any part of that only one of them can use. The rest they will have this message say license not active.
Okay. Okay, the other license?
The machine log means is tied to the machine that you can use it as long as the machine.
Okay. So, but I can review. It's not based on how many code I can review.
We don't count by codes. I know there are some products that they count by line of code, etc. We don't do that.
Okay. Okay. So it's just based on the machine, or float means you can.
It's not tied to a specific machine.
You can use any other machine you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
So. So let's go for let's say the static analysis. And then you notice that a window similar to this will start querying, and then the things will run. So what does it mean by a test configuration? So remember just now where Steve presented, you have many conventions or coding rules, etc. So we classify them under different category, and then most of the time you don't really need each and every rules to be enabled. So we have more than 1,000 rules out of the box, and we have the concept of configuration, which means that we selected rules that are relevant to, let's say, certain status, let's say CWE sense. So in short, the CWE sense configuration has those rules that is relevant to CWE, the violations mentioned in CWE sense. So if you can see from this panel, the static analysis panel, so there are a few sections. So the first one is always the progress, and then the second one will be the scope. The scope tells you how many files in total that it will be scanned, and then the number of lines.
So more security based.
So if you want to test about web code, you can go to File, New, and then if we say that in others that you may find, just that web code easier. So there's a web code example project.
New.
Yeah.
And this will create a webload example. So what is webload? Webload is actually a negative demonstration project.
Okay.
So it has a lot of vulnerability. This is created by MITRE, WASP community. So it's to show people a negative, a vulnerable website will be how is it coded, right? And then how you practice to defend it.
Okay.
So of course, because it's open to available to public, we take it up and we actually put it in and then work with our static analysis tool. So that's also one requirement from a particular company. So that, why don't you scan web code and let me see, and I can actually compare it with other tools.